The BMW i7 is a fully electric luxury sedan positioned as the flagship model in BMW's i-Series lineup. It shares its body design and overall dimensions with the internal combustion 7 Series but is powered exclusively by electricity. The i7 is available in multiple trims, including the eDrive 50, xDrive 60, and the high-performance M70. The eDrive 50 features a single rear-mounted electric motor producing around 449 horsepower and approximately 479 lb-ft of torque. This setup allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.3 seconds, with an estimated top speed of 127 miles per hour. Its EPA-rated range is up to approximately 314 miles. The xDrive 60 adds a second electric motor for all-wheel drive capability, delivering a combined output of about 536 horsepower. This version achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.5 seconds and offers a similar driving range. The M70 variant is the most powerful in the lineup, with a dual-motor setup generating roughly 650 horsepower and up to 811 lb-ft of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.5 seconds. Due to the performance emphasis, its range is slightly lower, at around 285 miles. All versions use a large lithium-ion battery pack with a gross capacity of 105.7 kWh and a usable capacity of about 101.7 kWh. The i7 supports AC charging up to 11 kilowatts and DC fast charging up to 195 or 200 kilowatts, enabling a 10 to 80% charge in about 30 minutes using a compatible fast charger. A full AC home charge typically takes 10 to 11 hours depending on the power source. In terms of size, the i7 measures approximately 212 inches in length, 76.8 inches in width, excluding mirrors, and 60.8 inches in height, with a wheelbase of about 126.6 inches. The vehicle's curb weight ranges from roughly 5,900 to over 6,000 pounds depending on the variant. Inside, the i7 offers a luxurious and high-tech cabin. It includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen running BMW's iDrive 8.5 system. Features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a head-up display, an ambient lighting system integrated into the dashboard, glass controls, and a panoramic glass roof. Rear passengers benefit from an optional 31-inch 8K drop-down theater screen, individual seat controls, massage functions, and high-end Bowers & Wilkins surround sound. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive. Standard systems include frontal collision warning, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, and automatic emergency braking. Optional features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, hands-free highway driving, and automated parking further enhance its capability. Prices in the US start at around $105,700 for the eDrive 50, go up to approximately $124,200 for the xDrive 60, and reach roughly $168,500 for the M70. The i7 combines BMW's traditional luxury and driving dynamics with state-of-the-art electric technology, making it a strong contender in the premium EV sedan market. Subscribe my channel for more videos.